This is Sally, the creator of KnitCompanion, and this is a Craft Camp exclusive look at some of my favorite things about the app. With KnitCompanion, you can customize the interface so it works for you. And people rave about the inverted marker. It's so easy on the eyes. You can stop flipping pages. With KnitCompanion, your key is always handy. Learn a new technique or get a refresher. Knit along with your favorite videos right inside your project. Magic markers are the bomb. Pick a sample stitch, tap the wand, and it finds them all. Now you can color and count. Play around with colors to see how they look before you swatch. Magic markers work for any chart. Charts can have symbols, color, or grayscale, and cable or wide stitches. You never need to stop knitting to count or work out which color is which. Write on your patterns. It's just like paper, but easier to erase. KnitCompanion works with any pattern and links to Ravelry. It's great for knitting, crochet, beading, weaving, and cross-stitch.